y'all doing out there? Yeah, me too. I feel pretty good. I feel good. I feel good. Oh, well, I should tell you a little bit about this guitar. This is a Rickenbacker guitar that I purchased way back in the first week of 1969. My band Creedence had a big hit the year before called Susie Q. So I got this guitar and I was, so to speak, trying to sharpen my toolkit. I made a bunch of changes. I won't bore you with the whole long list, but the important thing was I put a humbucker pickup right there in the bridge off of a Les Paul guitar, because I heard about these guys over in England named Jimmy, Jeff, and Eric. And this is the part where I have to look out there really soulfully, sternly, like a professor and say, go ask your grandpa! Anyway, we're talking about Jimmy Page, Jeff Beck, and Eric Clapton. What these guys were doing was plugging their Les Paul guitars that they bought for about 50 bucks into a Marshall amp and making the coolest sound that ever was made in rock and roll. And I wanted to get some, you know. Still is about the best sound there is for guitar. Anyway, after that, I played this guitar on everything. Green River, down on the corner, up around the bit. I played this guitar at Woodstock! Sorry, Jerry. Anyway, man, it was quite a ride for a couple of years there. The rocket ship went straight up, you know, at a blinding pace. And then, of course, like all things, it came back down to earth about 1972. Oh, man. My band broke up, my girlfriend left me, and my dog bit me. Bite me. Anyway, about that time, this little boy, 12 years old, comes up to me and says, John, can I have one of your guitars? And who knows why people do stuff. I took this most precious thing I'd ever had in my whole life, and I gave it to that kid. And I didn't see it again for a long, How long, John? Yeah, exactly. Anyway, a couple years ago, my beautiful dear wife, Julie, went out into the middle of this great land, fording streams and kicking bushes and all that. She found my guitar, man, in Ohio. She brought it home and she put it under the Christmas tree. When I got up on Christmas morning, man, I unwrapped the package, you know, tore that paper off, and I began to bawl like a baby because after 44 years, I got my baby back. Oh, that guy cracks me up, man. Those are some outrageous jammies that guy's wearing. Not tonight. Anyway, I told you about that Woodstock deal. Yep, I was up there with Jerry and all the rest of us hippies. Anyway, I came home from that and I wrote this song on this guitar. heard the same.